Hello everyone and welcome back to another bonus square for our 2024 Filet Crochet calendar blanket. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a yin yang square. As with every square, I am using a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook along with just some 4-weight acrylic yarn. Since this square was done with black yarn, I am just going to write the instructions for the pattern for each row throughout this video. I'll also have the written PDF version available on Etsy, and I'll link that down below. So grab your hook and your yarn and get ready to crochet the yin yang bonus filet crochet square.